Hello and welcome to the AutoCAD Essentials. I am Prabhakaran, Autodesk Certified Associate with you. This is our session number 9. We are going to discuss about arc command. Okay, what is arc? Arc is nothing but a part of a circle. The difference between circle and arc is circle have a 360 degree, arc will not have a 360 degree. That is why it says that part of a circle. Okay. The basic configuration of the arc is what? Generally, we should understand one thing. Arc always created in the direction of anti-clockwise. That means positive directions. Okay. The gap between the start point and end point is called as chord length. The angle between the start point to the end point is the angle of the arc, or otherwise we can say included angle. Then as usual, radius we know. Then tangent direction is nothing but the starting point of the arc is on what direction it is. Okay, right. As we know that we have 6 methods to create a circle. In the similar way, we have 11 methods in arc. Okay, so I'm going to divide that entire 11 method into 2 types. So start, center, end, start, center, angle, start, center, length. These 3 methods again it is repeated here. First 3 method and the last 3 method are same only. Okay, so this method I can say constant radius method. Why? Because we are fixing the center and we are fixing the start point of the arc. So the radius is fixed here. Here also we are fixing the start point and we are fixing the center point. We are fixing the radius here. So that is why this 2 method is called as constant radius method. Only we are going to change the end point of the arc and what angle of arc we need and what is the length of arc you need. So only these 3 data we are going to change, but the radius will be the constant. Okay, right. Let us discuss these things first in AutoCAD, then we go for the remaining methods. Okay, so to understand the arc method easily, so I have drawn a line of length 50 mm. Okay, right. So I'm going to type arc. Once I type the arc, there are plenty of options will come, start or center point. So once I choose the start point, so later on one by one options will come. So instead of going for this, so let me go for menu bar or from the ribbon, so that easily we can understand what method we are going to draw. First is 3-point method. Any 3 point, just like a circle, any 3 point, 1, 2, 3 in clockwise direction. Similar way, arc 3 point, 1, 2, 3. Any directions, just you give the 3 points, connecting the 3 points, you will get the arc. Okay, right. Now I'm going to do start, center, end method. I have to give start point and center point. Then the amount of arc will be decided by the third option. Okay, let me choose this. First I'm going to give start point. So let me take this line of length 50 mm. Right side I'm going to take, this is my start point. Now it is asking center point. What is my center point? Let me take the midpoint of the line is the center of my arc. Just click, just move the mouse. So now we are going to end the arc. So how much amount of arc you need? This much or this much or this much. I am moving in the direction of anti-clockwise. See this? You can calculate the direction of the arc based on the start and center. Start is my right side, center is on the left side. Now the similar way, if I choose start left side and choose the center point. So this is my anti-clockwise direction. That is why I said arc will form only in anti-clockwise direction. So you have to decide where you want to click. Just click outside or inside. So now you are going to decide the amount of arc how much you want. If you move the mouse outside, you will get the trajectories. So this trajectory will find and tell you the amount of arc. Okay, right. Here the radius of the arc is 25. Next option is start, center, angle. Same start point I'm giving, same center point I'm giving. So I'm fixing the radius is 25. What is the angle? So if I give 30, so 30 degree of arc I will get. Okay. Similar way, I'm going to choose start, center, angle. Same start point, same center point. Now I'm going to give minus 30. What will happen? Minus means clockwise direction. So clockwise I will get the arc. So this is clockwise arc. This is anti-clockwise arc. Okay. Both the arc having the radius of 25. Third option is what? Start center length. Same start point I'm giving, same center point I'm giving. Length of the arc. Let me give the length of the arc is 25. What is the 25 here? The distance between the start point to end point is 25 mm. You can check this point to this point. See, the distance is 25 mm. Okay. Now, in the similar way, I'm going to give arc, start center length, same start point, same center point I'm giving. Let me give the length 50. Okay. If I give 50, what is happening? I got exactly a half circle. That means what? So start point to center point is the radius 25. So the maximum distance or the maximum chord length of the circle will be the diameter, obviously, right? So let me try above 50. Same start point, same center point. Let me give 55. What is happening here? It says invalid. Why it is invalid? The distance between the start point to the center point is 25 mm, that is the radius. So the maximum length of the circle will be the diameter. So diameter is 50. If you give more than 50, circle will not be created. Okay. Now, I want to extend the arc little bit down using the same method. What we can do? Let me choose this start center length, same start point, same center point. I'm going to give the distance in the negative direction. I'm going to give 40. Here, where is 40? The distance between the start point to end point is 40. I given minus 40. The distance calculated in clockwise direction, but the arc will form in anti-clockwise direction. Okay. First three method, last three method, both are same. Here we choose first start point, then we give center point. Here first we choose a center point, then we will give the start point. That is the only difference. Okay. Next method is start end method. Here we are going to change the curvature of the arc. So the center point and the radius may change. Okay. There are three methods are there. Start end angle, start end direction, start end radius. So we are going to fix the start point and end point. Within the start point and end point, we are going to change the angle, direction and radius. Okay. So these are called start end method. I'm going to use the same line, start end angle. I'm going to start the arc from the right side. I'm going to end the arc at the left side. So this is my starting end point. So now my option is what? Included angle. How much angle I need to include? Let me give 90 degree. Where is this 90 degree? Let us see this now. So this is the 90 degree. Okay. Now let me try some more. Start end angle, same start point, same end point. Now I'm going to give angle 180 degree. Where is 180 degree? Exactly the half circle is 180 degree. Okay, let me try some more. Same start point, same end point I'm giving. I'm going to give 270 degrees. Where is it 270 degree? So this is 270 degree angle arc. This is 180 degree arc. This is 90 degree arc. You can see this center point is varying in a straight line because start point end point is same. So you are getting the arc above the horizontal line. If you want arc at the below, what do you do? Change your start point and end point, or you can change your angles. Let me try with the negative angles. Same start point, same end point. I'm going to give minus 90. You will get the arc at the bottom. Okay, so that is the difference. Next option is start end direction. I'm giving the same start point and the same end point. The direction of the arc, that means start point direction of the arc is what? Now you can see the trajectories. So now the trajectory angle is now 90 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 90 degrees. So if you increase the angle, you can see the curvature, how it is changing. Okay, so this is the tangent directions. Let me give now 90. So you will get exactly semicircle. Okay, now let me try some more. Same start point, same end point. Now I'm going to give 120 degrees. Where is it 120 degree? If you draw a line of some length in the angle of 120 degree, you will get that tangent directions. Let me draw a line 50 in the direction of 150. So let me check this now. Start, end direction. So start point, end point. My direction is I'm going to give 150 degree. That means what? My arc will come in the direction of 150 degree tangent. Next is start end radius. Same start point, same end point. Actual, the distance between the points is 50 mm. So if I give exactly 25, what I will get? I will get exactly half circle. If I give less than this, what will happen? Same start point, same end point. I'm going to give less than the 25. Let me give 20. The arc will not come. So the radius value must be the half of the value of start to end point. Okay. So it should be more than that 25. So start point, end point. Let me give 35 radius. You get the arc. Let me try some more. Start, end. Let me give 50 radius. Where is this radius and all? You can see now. Now you can see the radius. This is the radius of 35 and this is the radius of 50. We got it. Okay. Right. So you can see the center point is here also. It is varying in a same point because our start point end point is same point. Okay. Right. The beauty of start and radius here, we can give negative radius also. Let me try this. Same start point, same end point. I'm going to give radius plus 45. This is positive 45. This is the radius point. Let me try this radius in negative. Start point, same end point. I'm going to give minus 45 is my radius. So where is the radius? Radius will be above the horizontal line. So that is the difference between the positive radius and the negative radius. So the curvature will be changing. That is the difference. Okay. Green arc and this yellow arc both are radius 45 only, but the curvature is different. Okay. Right. Now the last option is continue. Continue means what? We are going to continue the curve from the last object. You see here, finally I draw the line. I'm going to continue the arc. So again, I'm going to continue the arc from the last object. You see here, I'm going to continue the arc from the last object. Okay. If I draw a line here, if I want to continue the arc from there, you can continue. Okay. Right. So these are the 11 methods of arc creation. Let us try this example. The total length and width of the object is 100 mm, 100 mm. So let me first draw these lines. Once you draw the lines, we can construct this arc with the radius of 25. Right. I constructed the lines first. Now I'm going to draw this arc. So start, end, radius I can use. Okay. Arc, start, end, radius. Start point, end point, radius I'm giving 25. Similar way, start point, end point, radius is 25. My start point, end point is wrong. That is why the arc came wrong direction. So I need to change that. So start, end direction, start point, end point. So it must be towards anti-clockwise direction. So my start point to end point, the direction must be anti-clockwise. So this is my start point. This is my end point. So if I give 25, you will get exact arc. So remember that always start to end, the direction must be towards anti-clockwise direction. Okay, right. Similar way you try the all other exercise. So just to see this values, first draw the lines and try these objects. These are very simple exercise to understand the arc command clearly. Okay. So based on the arc command, some symbols I have given. Electrical and electronic students, they can try these objects. It does not have any values. So it's a representation of the components. So choose proportional size and you can draw that one. Okay. This is the end of session number 9. Next we will see function keys. Thank you.